guys recorded inside the company. So.
Hey man, I don't know who you are. Who are you?
I'm working in here.
Huh?
I am security in here.
Oh, you're securing here?
Yes.
You can secure the sidewalk or?
No, but you recorded inside that private property.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I didn't know that. He said this is private property right here.
Oh, this is?
Yeah,
Oh.
I didn't know that, so. Make sure and get all the cars.
I already got them earlier.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Didn't you?
I got most of them.
Oh, okay. What about this one?
Mm-hmm. Hey, you secure this whole area?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You work for Anthony or you work for the cookie place?
Who you guys? You guys are camping or you guys just?
I'm trying to see what company you work for.
What company do I work for?
Yeah, you work for Fantasy Cookie or you work for Anthony?
I work everywhere in here.
Oh, everywhere?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, damn. How many? Just one card?
Huh?
Just one card?
Why too much question?
I'm just trying.
What
gathering
company do you
intelligence, man.
What company do you work?
I'm gathering intelligence because I'm. That's all I can tell you.
Oh, okay. They don't say who they work. So what I have to do? What do I have to do?
That's one of them.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one. Card number?
I haven't asked him for it yet. Hey, what's your name, man?
What security company are you with? I don't know what you guy is, but I can't do that information for me. But you need to have patches on your arms. I don't know what company you're with. You could be a fake security guard. So what I know, I just am security here. You know. What security company are you with? Security. I am security.
Can we see the badge?
What company? I can do any information.
Yeah, flip
for
over
you.
your badge.
I can do any information. I can do any information for you, brother.
Why not?
Because I don't know who you are.
Yeah, but you have to identify yourself.
Doesn't matter. Hernandez?
Yeah. He's here. Are you recording me?
You recording me?
Are you recording?
Record what?
You're recording me? Are you take my pic? You took my picture?
I just used my phone.
Huh?
I just used my phone.
You took my picture?
I just used my phone.
If you took my picture, can you delete it?
I don't take a picture of you. I don't
Okay.
need it.
All right. Don't take a picture of me, okay?
I don't need it.
I'm not supposed to be on pictures.
Is that a violation of that one order?
Yeah, I can't be on any pictures, man.
Can I help you, gentlemen? You're not allowed to film me, by the way.
What?
You're not allowed to film me, by the way. I'm not giving you permission to film me.
Well, back up, man. You're getting too close.
Okay.
You're less than 6 feet away. You should back
I'm
up.
sorry. You're not allowed to film me.
Are you a Dodgers fan?
I'm not even going to talk to you, sir. I'm
Yeah,
just
are you a
telling
Dodgers
you're
fan?
not allowed to film
When
me.
you're talking to us.
Are you a Dodgers fan? No?
Oh, I already got it.
Thanks, man.
Okay, what's your business out here today?
My business is none of your business.
Okay. So we're going to play that game.
So go away, man. Why are you
you off
bothering
work?
us?
Why am,
Shouldn't you
why,
go
why,
home?
why am I bothering you?
Yeah. You should walk straight up to my camera. Now you're blocking my shot.
I asked you a question, that's all.
Oh, mind your own business, sir.
Mind my own business?
Yeah.
Yeah. Aren't you
Okay,
off work?
why don't we just go ahead and call the police?
You can't call the police for no crime.
Don't call the police. No, don't do that.
You can't call the police when there was no crime, man.
Yeah. What a waste of taxpayer money. You're gonna call the police?
You can't waste the police time, man.
Wow, you guys are pretty good.
We're what?
They have other better things to do.
We're pretty what?
I'm not going to waste my time with you
Yeah,
guys.
well, go away.
All I'm saying is
Shoot
that...
Go
Fly,
away
don't
then.
bother
If you're
me.
not gonna waste your time, go
All
away.
I'm saying
Shoe
is
fly,
that
don't bother me. Shoe fly, don't bother
you're not
me.
allowed on our property. You come on our property, you're trespassing.
Go away. Crybaby. How old are you to be such a crybaby?
Right, baby.
Llorón. That's what we call llorón. You. Mr. Crybaby.
He said he's not gonna waste your time. Every time he says no, he's gonna come back. Right, baby.
What a wankster.
Yeah, exactly. Listen to security guard.
He's a wankster. You're nothing but a wankster, sir.
Are you quoting 50 Cent?
You're a dirty wankster. You are a dirty little wankster, both of you.
Go home, get in your car, go home. You're already off work.
Yeah, stop wasting your wife's time. She wants you. Or whatever,
Or-
boyfriend,
wow.
whatever. Whatever fits, whatever floats your boat, buddy. It's all good.
Dude, is that your brother?
Nah, he doesn't have a beard.
grabando, grabando y grabando. Todo y tomando foto al que viene y al que va.
Llorón. Llorón. Uy, pinche llorón. Cállese a la chingada, vete a la chingada, güey. Go away. Lloroncito. Millón.
What a waste of taxpayer money.
Millón, llorón, millón. Millón.
Are you calling him like kitties?
No, I'm calling him a bedwetter. A bedwetter. Millón. También. Millón.
Sounds like you're meowing.
Meow. Millón. Shoe fly, don't bother me. Yeah, he's gonna get in his car right now. Make sure and film his car.
I got it. Direct call to security.
Here he comes.